Welcome back to yet another video on the app. Today, we are going to tell you about the order entry, order book, and portfolio within the app. Our app is designed and created in a way to provide you with the most humanized experience of trading and order execution. It is super convenient for you to initiate an order entry from multiple places. The T button or the buy and sell button anywhere in the app will enable you to initiate order entry. Wondering what the different order types and options mean? Well, let us tell you. If you want to ensure that an order gets executed and you are not looking for a specific price of execution, you should use the market order option. You should use the limit order option if you want to execute your order at or better than a predefined price. If the price at which you want to execute your order is not yet traded and you want to wait a little till the desired price, also known as the trigger price, is available in the exchange to submit your order, you should use the stop loss trigger order option. Next, let's talk about intraday orders. These orders are executed for a particular day only. Now, let's see what delivery or carry forward orders are. Once these delivery orders are executed and the position is carried forward for multiple days. After purchase today, sell tomorrow orders are executed, they are automatically squared off the next day. Moving on to margin trading facility or MTF orders. These orders function in the same way as the delivery order, but the only difference is that the margin of fund required for execution is usually less than that required for the delivery order. Next is the multi-leg order. You can send 2-leg or 3-leg orders in the futures and options contracts using the multi-leg order functionality. A spread order is a combination of individual orders or legs that work together to create a single trading strategy. Spread type includes future spreads and combinations of option and option, option and stock and stock on the same or multiple underlines. Orders is a single window that shows you all the information about the orders you have placed and even about the positions that you hold. This single window gives you all the details which you are able to get from the order book, trade book, and the net position window. You can select and view orders based on different order types such as single scrip orders, spread orders, multi-leg orders, good till date orders, EQ SIP orders, and mutual fund orders. Under all orders, you can see the details of all the orders entered by you on a particular day. You can click on any order to see its full details and respective trades received from the exchange. You can also modify or cancel any order as you like. You can take a look at all your positions by clicking on Net Position option, and you will be able to see your profit and loss marked to the current market value (MTM) of the scrip. And you will be able to see your profit and loss marked to the current market value of the scrip. And finally, you can close all open orders simultaneously by using the square of all option in the net position window. Moving on to the portfolios, where you can get complete insights of your holdings. You can see the current value, overall profit and loss, days profit and loss, as well as the invested value in this section. Under Holdings, you can see all the stocks that you hold in your Demat account. It also shows you the current value of your holdings along with the actual value that you invested in the holdings. And in the Positions section, you will be able to see a particular day's position as well as the overall positions including equity, derivatives, commodities, and currencies. That's it for now. We'll be back with another video to help you understand more about the Wave app.